If you are wondering if you have to use Samsung USB cable in order to, for example, charge your Samsung Galaxy A27 or in order to transfer files to connect it to another device, then the answer is no. It doesn't have to be Samsung USB cable in order to make it work. For example, in my case, I use USB-A to USB-C cable that I think is made by Realme or Oppo. I'm not entirely sure. I think it's Oppo. And it works just fine with Samsung Galaxy A27. However, you have to consider two things. The first one is that USB cables might have different capability of transferring power. I mean, you might not be able to actually make full use of the power adapter to charge your phone if your cable doesn't allow you to do so. And also another thing is the transfer speed, because in some cases USB cables are slower than other, so you might notice a different transfer speed when transferring files via USB cable, and in some cases USB cables do not even support transferring data, so in that case you will not be able to, for example, connect your phone to your computer in order to transfer files. And yeah, so while it is possible to use non-Samsung USB cable, there are a couple of things that you need to consider or keep in mind while trying to use a different cable. Other than that, if you have a cable from another smartphone, that is of course USB, then yes, you can use it and you should be able to charge your phone, to transfer files, and so on and so forth. Leave a like and subscribe.